Hi friends, I'm Coach Tiffany Hart. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my workout. I just finished a 15-minute beginner workout and I'm feeling fabulous. I hope you will enjoy this. I've created this channel for you because I have been on a weight loss journey and I've lost 80 pounds. And this is how I did it, starting off with 15-minute workouts. These workouts have helped me to lose weight. They've helped my clients to lose weight and just feel better. So I'm posting these here for beginners or for anybody who wants to come along and walk with me. These workouts are low impact. They are easy to follow. All you have to do is just do what I am doing for 15 minutes or don't do it. You can do your own thing. The whole thing is just keep moving through the whole workout. Keep walking and stay in control of your breath. So stay focused on that. You should be able to be in conversation throughout the whole workout. If ever you feel too out of breath, all you have to do is walk in place. Don't just stop and do nothing. Keep walking. Walk in place to the end of the video. And if you feel like, you know what, this is not enough, I need a little bit more, when I'm doing the walk in place part, you could go ahead and jog or even run in place. That'll really fire it up and get you some extra steps in your day. This has been so helpful for my clients because a lot of times, I mean, even me too, when I was 210 pounds at 5'2", I didn't want to work out. I didn't feel like it. Knees back, getting a little older, don't feel like doing all that. So I gotta tell you, these 15-minute workouts have really helped me to really get started and just feel happier, just feel better, just have more energy. And it really got me started on my weight loss journey. So these videos are for you. I hope that you will enjoy them and share them. Maybe you have a buddy you can work out with. It is so good to have support. But if not, that's okay. Come work out with me every day. And you'll see it'll get you right along on your journey, whatever that might be. It'll help you to get there. All right. Well, thank you for joining me. If you find this video helpful, please remember to like, share, subscribe, and ring my bell. That way you get notified every time I create a new video. You ready? Let's go.
someone in and give you some help. Help. It's funny how you finally feel like yourself when you finally let someone in and give you some help. Hey, yeah. Gotta get what you want, gotta get what you need. Better take all you get, my love, 'cause you know it don't come for free. Every little thing you want, every little thing you need. Keep it all for yourself, my love, 'cause it really don't matter to me. I know you're wrong, I feel the pain. You think I'm just some simple guy. I know the truth, I see your heart. You only have selfish desires. Every little thing that you ask, I will give to you. You know you never ask me twice. I've been keeping tabs on the things that I give for you. I think it's time you pay the price. Every little thing you want, every little thing you need. Keep it all for yourself, my love, 'cause it really don't matter to me. Every little thing you want, every little thing you need. Keep it all for yourself, my love, 'cause it really don't matter to me. I just need to keep my space. You just need to find your way. All your things is at my place. I'm gonna throw them out today. I just need to keep my space. You just need to find your way. All the tears you throw my way, I don't wanna see your face. No more, 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 no, yeah. Gotta get what you want, gotta get what you need. Better take all you get, my love, 'cause you know it don't come for free. Every little thing you want, every little thing you need. Keep it all for yourself, my love, 'cause it really don't matter to me.
I've been sitting wondering in my bedroom how to move along and bright my day. I've been low-key for a while from over emotions. Gotta go and smell the air and find a way. Can we just dance? Can we just dance and forget about it? I'm tired of the race. Can we just dance and forget about it? Let it all go, darling, let it all go. I just need to stop and have some fresh vibes in my head. Let it all go, darling, let it all go. I'm not trying to run, just need some fresh vibes coming my way. Coming my way. Coming my way. Can you feel the drum beat in your feet now? Let it grow and catch the flow, the rhythm shakes. It's been waiting for you right around the corner. For your mind and soul, just let it break. Can we just dance? Can we just dance and forget about it? I'm tired of the race. Can we just dance and forget about it? Let it all go, darling, let it all go. I just need to stop and have some fresh vibes in my head. Let it all go, darling, let it all go. I'm not trying to run, just need some fresh vibes coming my way. Coming my way. Coming my way. Can we just dance?
Awesome. Good job. You did it. You completed the workout. Thank you for joining me today. Hope you have an awesome rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next workout.